I did the safeguarding workshop challenge, and I chose to do this because it complements my nursing degree. I find it's important to learn more about safeguarding so I can better perform care for my patients.
It's a really good way to improve your confidence, and it's a really good way to talk about things that you don't really normally discuss within classes.
I learnt about other aspects and perspectives that I never thought about before, so it was good to make me think about a topic rather than just having a straightforward answer.
It'll help me talk to clients better. It'll make me make better decisions for my business as well, and especially in the construction industry where a lot of these things are not actually talked about.
I think it's important for students to engage with safeguarding because it's an area that affects all lives, all ages, so it's important that we're all aware.